Tesla has done it again. Their AI has just taken a groundbreaking step towards full autonomy. Imagine this. Brand new Tesla cars driving themselves, without human intervention, from the production line straight to the loading dock. This is the future of self-driving, and it's happening now. Last night, Tesla AI dropped a bombshell. New videos surfaced showcasing Tesla vehicles seamlessly navigating their way from the factory floor to designated loading dock lanes. This isn't just a concept. It's happening at Tesla's Fremont Factory. This is a 1.2-mile route inside the factory, proving that Tesla's AI can now handle even the most complex low-speed maneuvers in a controlled environment. The significance? We are one step closer to large-scale, unsupervised full self-driving. Tesla's AI-powered self-driving system uses an advanced neural network, real-time data processing, and high-definition mapping to make precise decisions. The cars are now capable of recognizing obstacles, adjusting their routes, and even parking themselves completely autonomously. As Ashok Elluswamy, Tesla's VP of Autonomy, put it, it's just a matter of time before Tesla cars can drive themselves anywhere, day or night, without any human input. That means real-world FSD could be closer than we think. So what does this mean for the future of self-driving cars? If Tesla AI can handle complex factory logistics, it's only a matter of time before we see FSD roll out at a much larger scale. Imagine summoning your Tesla and watching it drive itself across town to pick you up. No driver needed. But the big question remains, when will regulators approve full autonomy on public roads? Tesla's technology is advancing rapidly, but legal hurdles still stand in the way. What do you think? Is this the breakthrough we've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments. If you found this update exciting, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of the AI revolution. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.